Hello students, in chapter 8 binomial theorem. Welcome again students. Today I going ahead students our exercise 8 very big numericals. Yes, at least 4 to 5 marks. Question first, find a, b and n in the expansion of a plus b raised to n if there are first three terms given 7 to 9, 7 to 90 and 30375. Yes students, before starting I just again remind you this is a very most IMP numerical. So you first tick mark in IMP list. Okay. Now first of all a plus b raised to n, I just start my general term. What is general term? TR plus 1 NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r. And I want to first three terms means T1 0 plus 1 NC0 a raised to n minus 0 b raised to 0, and that is 1 a raised to n 1, and I want to 7 to 9 given. That's the statement 1. Now second term T2 means 1 plus 1 r become 1, so NC1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 NC1 is n. Yes, and that is your second term 7 to 90. Now I going ahead our third term. So my third term T3 which is 2 plus 1, so NC2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2. Now that I just calculate in solution n factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial and a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2. Students, here I just further calculate n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial, that's the same, and that cutting also. Other a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2, and that is your students is equal to given 30375. Now three equations students here easily I derive. Now what to process? How can I calculate these equations? So process is very easy. First 1 divided by 2, again repeat 1 divided by 2, you can get equation number 4. Then after 2 divided by 3, you can get equation number 5. Now 4 and 5 both divided, you can get one answer. Again repeat, what to do? 1 dividing by 2, some calculations, get equation number 4. Then after 2 dividing by 3, some calculations, equation number 5, and both 4 and 5 divided, then you get one answer. Yes, that's the process, and that process I start now slowly. So first we taking 1 divided by 2 means this and that, a raised to n 7 to 9, and here second are n of a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 is 7 to 90. This cancel. Here a the power reading, again you can match minus n plus 1 upon n into b, here 1 by 10, this also cancel. So you have only 10a is equal to nb, statement number 4. That's my first step ending. Again repeat, 1 dividing by 2, you can get equation 4. Now I get 2 dividing by 3. Yes, that's also same calculation I going ahead. Now we taking 2 dividing by 3 students, and 2 dividing by 3 I just operate same as in the way of 2 is that n a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 is equal to 7290, and second is this third one, n minus 1 by 2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2 30375, and this successfully calculate. So students, this n gone to take upper side, a the power match n minus 1 minus n plus 2, this cancel, 1b only left. Yes, 1b only left. Here 7 to 9 is a 999 into 10 and 30375. I think so 27, 25 and 45. Just utilize your calculator. 27, 25 and 45. Yes, 27, 25, 45. I just calculate using here. Now, so students, this cancel. Here, just you checking your calculations wise. 2 a raised to 1 n minus 1 into b, and here simplify. 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Yes, now here 15 5s are 15 3s are 45. These 3s are gone. Yes, 3 15s are. Now again calculate. Here 5 3s are 5 2s are and 3 3s are and 3 9s are, and this 2 and this 2 also gone students. You have to only, okay, here I write down, don't worry, 3 into 2 by 25. Now again 2 to cancel you have to. So your data is 25a is equal to 3 into b into n minus 1. That's the equation number 5. 25a and 3 with b n minus 1. Process I again repeat. 1 dividing by 2, equation 4 getting. Now 2 dividing by 3, equation 5 getting. Now 4 and 5 both divided. You can get answer. So now we continue with taking 4 divided by 5. So what's your 4? 10a nb, and here 25a 3b, and you can start your small journey. And one answer is coming here. A and a gone, b and b gone, and that also gone. 5 2s and 5 5s are. So 2 by 5, here n by 3 n minus 1. Now multiply to each other. So students, your data 3 to the 6 n minus 1 cross multiply taking a. So my answer is finally done. 6n minus 6 5n. So 6n minus 5n. Yes, n becomes 6. Yes, this is a process wise. One part is done, but I want to a, b and n. N is done 6. Now students, this 6 I putting down here first, easily get value of a, and now I further calculations going ahead from equation number 1. What's your from 1? A raised to n is equal to 7 to 9. And 7 to 9 is also known you. It is 999. So what is your n? 6. So a raised to 6. It have 999. Can I write again? 3 square. 3 square. It is 3 raised to 6. Means a is equal to 3. That also very easily done. Now I going to equation number 4. N known, a known, easily decided b. So from 4th, 10a is equal to nb. A I have 3, n I have 6, b is equal to, ready that, 10 into 3 by 6. It means 3 to ja, 2 5 ja, b is equal to 5. And here students, your n, a and b, easily you can create your final answer. So After that I show my last answer, n 3, 5 and 6 correct answer, students. So solution a3, b5 and n become 6, and here students the final answer for this 4 marks or 3 marks easily done. Now continue students. Question second. Find A if the coefficients of x square and x cube in this expansion are equal. So first of all I go into general term. Yes students, here you consider it is your capital A, that is your capital B, and I explain about two capital letter wise T R plus 1 NCR A raised to n minus r, b raised to r, but here you putting capital letter because in question given small letter. So what is your tr plus 1 in general term? N is 9, a become 3 and b become ax raised to r. So we have to taking 9cr as it is, 3 raised to 9 minus r, but here a raised to r and x raised to r. That's my general solution. But I want to x square and x cube. So students, I just highlight this is a coefficient of x raised to r, that one. So now I going if coefficient of given what x square is equal to coefficients of x cube are both same. So what is the coefficient of x square here? Actually 9cr 3 raised to 9 minus r a raised to r. Same, what is r but 2? So here I write down 2, that also 2 and here also 2. Same as in x cube. So 9 say 3, 3 raised to 9 minus 3, but a raised to 3. Now easily simplify it. So it is that 9 factorial, 2 factorial, 7 factorial, 3 raised to 7 a square. Same as 9 factorial, 3 factorial and subtraction 6 factorial, 3 raised to 6 but a raised to 3. Students, here 9 raised to 7, 3 raised to 6, here 3 raised to 1 pending, and a square and a cube only a raised to 1 pending, correct? And other has here solution. These are converted up to lowest. So 9, 8, 7 stop, 2, 7 stop here. Other 3 and here 9, 8, 7, 6 factorial stop, 3 factorial is a 6. 6 factorial same. Here only much a raised to 1. Now cutting. That cancel, this cancel, and here 2 4s are cancel. So 9 into 4 into 7, sorry 9 into 4 into 3, not 7 and this side students 3 2s are, 3 3s are and 2 4s are, 3 into 4 into 7. It means you can easily cover value of a here. 9 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 4 into 7, that cancel, a is equal to only and only 9 by 7, and here students very easily and happily done. Now students, time coming to most time numerical. Again question number 3. Find the coefficient of x raised to 5 in the expansion of 1 plus 2x raised to 6 and 1 minus x raised to 7, both product it using binomial. First of all, look at that students, 6 power, it means how many total number of terms? 7 terms, and here 8 terms. So 7 and 8 both product, 56 terms, and I want to coefficient of x raised to 5 derive. So don't worry students, we not write down 56 steps here, but technically easily way I explain about that. coefficient of x raised to 5. First of all, I start in 1 plus 2x raised to 6 solutions by the method of our binomial expansion. So first 6 is 0, 61, 62, 63 till up to 66, right? 64, 65 and last 66. That. Now apply the polarity. This polarity here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that polarity also you can, if you write down, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And now simplify anyhow. So here 1 plus 2x raised to 6 is, it is 1. 61 is 6, 2x. 62, students, you calculate 6 factorial, 2 factorial and 4 factorial. So further calculation, if I going that, it is a 6, 5, 4 stop, 2, 4 stop, cancel. 2 3s are, it means it is 15. It means 62 and 64 both are the same, 15, 15. So here 15, and that is same as 4x square. 4x square, it means here 4x square. Correct? This over. Now I go to 63. So here also, students, I explain about that 6 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So 6, 5, 4, 3 stop. Here 6, but that is 3 factorial. These also cancel. These also cancel. And 6, 5, 4 and 3 stop there. Now 5 4s are 20. And here this expansion is 8x cube. 8x cube. Now continue 64. We don't write down again because 62 and 64 are same. Here multiply. So 64, 62 is 15. So here write down 15. It is 16x raised to 4. It is 15 and 16 to 40. Correct, no? 15, 15, 2 to 5. 2 to 5 and 15 means to 40. It is to 40 x raised to 4. And here 6, 32 x raised to 5. And that is 1, but 64 x raised to 6. Now finally, I can write down the full steps. My answer in one line. Here 1, 6 to the 12x. Here 15 4s are 60 x square. Now 8 to the 60, 160 x cube. Now here 240, 15 with 16. Yes, 15, 15, 2 to 5, 2 to 5 and 15. Yes, 240. Correct then. X raised to 4. Next 32 into 6. So 6 to the 12, 1 carry, 6 to the 18 and 19, 192 x raised to 5 and 64 x raised to 6. That's I taking statement number 1. 6 to the 12, 1 carry, 6 to the 18 and 19. Yes, students. Here our first equation done. Now I going ahead to second equations. So 1 minus x raised to 7 related, I start the solutions. Now students, we going for 1 minus x raised to 7 power. These are done. Our equation number first. Here also 7c 0, 7c 1, 7c 2 till up to 7c 7 I mention. 7c 3, 7c 4, 7c 5, 7c 6 and 7c 7. So you have to power it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And a 1 power it if you mention then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And that also I simplify, students. So 1 minus x raised to 7, that is 1. 7c1 is 7 minus x, it is 1. Now 7c2 I calculate here by the method of factorizations. 7 factorial, 2 factorial and 5 factorial. Our permutation method. 7, 6, 5. That cancel. It is 21. 5 5 gone, 2 3s are gone. 21 x raised to 2. But listen, 7c2 and 7c5 are same coming. 21, so easily going. And 7c3 and 7c4 also same, students. So here our 21 done. Now I going to 7c3. 7 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 7, 6, 5, 4, stop, here 6, 4 factorial. 3 factorial is a 6 and this cancel, it is a 35. So here I apply 35 minus x cube. But 7c4 also same 35. That rule wise x raised to 4. So I just calculations for directly at 35. Now 7c5 as well as 7c2, it is 21. So students, here 21 minus x raised to 5. Continue. 7c6 is 7 x raised to 6 and here 1 but minus x raised to 7. Now you can again rewrite 1 minus x raised to 7, we have to 1 minus 7x plus 21x square minus 35x cube plus 35x raised to 4 minus 21x raised to 5 plus 7x raised to 6 and minus x raised to 7. Here you can write down equation number 2 and that's your second major part done. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps and here 7 steps. Now students, I want to coefficient of x raised to 5 in this both expansion product. It means 7 step and 8 steps both multiply. So 7 8s are 56 steps, but we not write that. We only write coefficients regarding x raised to 5 coming. So I going to very easily and very technically. So in expansion 1 plus 2x raised to 6 into 1 minus x raised to 7, coefficient of x raised to 5 is, now look at that very carefully and stop your writing, listen and properly see here. This one multiply by that one. Sure, this one and 21 x raised to 5, product them, you can get x raised to 5. I want to only coefficients, so here 1 but that minus 21. Again second part, these are 12x into 35x raised to 5 because x the 1 power and x the 4 power. How much? It is 5 power. Again x the 1 power and x the 4 power. It is how much? X the 5 power. And it is again the 5 power. I want to coefficients. So here 12 with 35. Continue here. 60. Here see students, it is x square. But I want to x raised to 5. So this x square and this x cube. This coefficient you taking that x square parts and here x raised to 3 parts. I mean minus 35. You just apply here minus 35. Again, I'm going to 160 now. X cube. So what you write down here? X square. It is 21. And one more here, 240. Students, 240 x raised to 4, but I want to x raised to 5. It means here write down x raised to 1. So 240 x raised to 4, here x raised to 1, it is x raised to 5. It is I want to here minus 7. And one more last, 192 x raised to 5. So this multiply by 1. It is coefficients. After that, you're not taking now x raised to 6, x raised to 7, because I want to x raised to 5 power 80. That's why now this calculate by using calculator, you can get final answer. We have to 171. One more time repeat. If you find out here x raised to different power 80, then I take here different terms related your power 80 matching, and that are big solutions cover to 171 coefficient answer, students. Now students, continue question number 4. This also very easy. Prove by binomial theorem for a minus b is a factor of a raised to n, b raised to n. Yes, I want to factor where a and b is a positive integer given. Students, here one of the hint given in your textbook. I just utilize the textbook hint. A raised to n, a minus b plus b raised to n. Yes, here b and b cancel, and I want to expansion by this and that level. So in a raised to n, b raised to n, I just write down in place of a minus b plus b raised to n, and minus b raised to n is same as this. I taking capital A, this I taking capital B, and start to expansion. It is very easy. NC 0, a minus b with b. NC 1, NC 2, NC 3. Very easy but lengthy. Plus NCN, a minus bb. This expansion for only this one, and minus b raised to n, students, as it is. Now you go to power 80. Here apply power 80 to 0 here. You also here put it then correct answer. But this time I put it here 0 because I want to a minus b is a factor. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, n. And here subtraction n minus 0, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n is 0. Students, you don't worry about it. Any one term to start, it is same answer. So here 1, b raised to n, and this b raised to n cutting with last, and here as it is nc1 b raised to n minus 1, nc2 b raised to n minus 2, nc3 same as b raised to n minus 3, plus ncn is 1 and a minus b raised to n and minus b raised to n same this and that cancel. And students, in this part I just take out common, that is the a minus b. Yes, so a raised to n, b raised to n, here common taking a minus b. Now what is the left part? nc1 b raised to n minus 1, nc2 b raised to n minus 2. Here 1 times is taking, 1 time is remaining, nc3 b raised to n minus 3 plus a minus b raised to n minus b taking, so here n minus 1 remaining. And students, here this assumption something t a minus b into t. So sure, this is a multiple of a minus b. So therefore, a minus n minus b raised to n have a minus b is one of the factor, and that's ibuprofen. But here assumption part you also must be write down. So you write down, suppose NC1 b to the power n minus 1, NC2 b raised to n minus 2 plus dot last a minus b raised to n minus 1 is equal to t. And see, a minus a and b are distinct integer. So if a, b and n are distinct positive integer, so t is also positive integer. Yes, t is also positive integer, and that you can t positive integer into a minus b. Therefore, a minus b is one of the factor. For that, what? Your a raised to n, b raised to n. Yes, students, here our question number 4 is happily done, and this part is finished. Students, this part I stop here. Further explanations for exercise 8 continue. I going ahead in the next parts. Bye bye.